Good day everyone, good day sir. Today I'm gonna present my final video presentation about hierarchical clustering analysis. So first, what is clustering or clustering analysis? Clustering analysis is a grouping objects based on similarities. Clustering can be used in many areas including machine learning, computer graphics, pattern recognition, image analysis, information retrieval, bioinformatics, and data compression. So clusters are a tricky concept, which is why there are so many different clustering algorithms. Different cluster models are employed, and for each of these cluster models, different algorithms can be given. Clusters found by one clustering algorithm will definitely be different from clusters found by different algorithm. So, in machine learning system, we often group examples as a first step towards understanding the dataset. Groupings and unlabeled example is called clustering. As the samples are unlabeled, clustering relies on unsupervised machine learning. If the examples are labeled, then it becomes classification. So, what are clustering algorithms? So, clustering algorithms are used to group data points based on certain similarities. There's no criterion for good clustering. Clustering determines the groupings with unlabeled data. It mainly depends on the specific user and the scenario. So these are the typical cluster models include connectivity models, centroid models, distribution models, density models, and group models, and etc. Without further ado, let's go to our main topic. So it is hierarchical clustering algorithms. So the main idea of hierarchical clustering is based on the concept that nearby objects are more related than objects that farther away. Let's take a closer look at various aspects of these algorithms. So first, the algorithms connect to objects to form clusters based on their distance. Second, a cluster can be defined by the max distance needed to connect to the part of clusters. Third, dendrograms can present different clusters formed in different distances, explaining where the name hierarchical clustering comes from. These algorithms provide a hierarchy of clusters that can certain distance are merged. Fourth, in the dendrogram, the y-axis marks the distance at which clusters merge. The objects are placed beside the x-axis such that clusters don't mix. Hierarchical clustering is a family of methods that compute distance in different ways. Popular choices are known as single linkage clustering, complete linkage clustering, and UPGMA. Further, hierarchical clustering can be 1. Agglomerative. It starts with an individual element and then groups them into single cluster. Second, divisive. It starts with a complete data set and divides into partitions. So hierarchical clustering is often used in form of descriptive modeling rather than predictive. It doesn't work well on large data sets. It provides the best result in some cases only. Sometimes it's also difficult to detect the correct number of clusters from dendrogram. So it is the example of hierarchical cluster algorithm. So this is a picture. And that's all for today, sir. Thank you and God bless.